Builder in Eclipse is composed of SWT Designer and Swing Designer, and it makes it very easy to create Java GUI applications without spending a lot of time writing code. Use the What You See is What You Get visual designer and layout tools to create simple forms to complex windows. The Java code will be generated for you. Easily add controls using drag and drop, add event handlers to your controls, change various properties of controls using a property editor, internationalize your app, and much more. To install WindowBuilder in Eclipse, the first option is via Help menu, Eclipse Marketplace. Open Eclipse IDE and select the workspace. Click Help menu, Eclipse Marketplace. In the search box, type WindowBuilder, then press Enter key. When WindowBuilder is found, click Install button. To confirm the WindowBuilder features, click Confirm button. Click Finish button and restart Eclipse. Click Create New Visual Classes button and see if Swing is included in the list. There you have it. You can start creating your Java GUI Swing applications in a much easier way. To install WindowBuilder in Eclipse, the second option is via Help menu, Install New Software. In a web browser, search WindowBuilder in Eclipse. Go to www.eclipse.org/WindowBuilder and download the installer. In Download folder, move the repository zip file to your Eclipse workspace folder. Open Eclipse IDE and select the workspace. Click Help menu, Install New Software. Click Add button. Click Archive button and browse the location of repository zip file. Then click Open button and click Add button. Check the WindowBuilder files and click Next button. Click Finish button. Then restart Eclipse. Click Create New Visual Classes button and see if Swing is included in the list. There you have it. You can start creating your Java GUI Swing applications in a much easier way.